The following property is presented to you by Joseph B. Conroy as part of his client services and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage and Mortgage. Presenting 31 Ocean View Avenue, located in South Portland. Constructed in 1922, 31 Ocean View Avenue is situated on 0.21 acres. It offers 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. The home is heated by oil and the electrical service is 220 volts with circuit breakers. 31 Ocean View Avenue is a classic colonial with a friendly entrance. You can stroll to the local theater, restaurants, bakery, and Fort Williams, and also enjoy nearby Willett Beach. This is truly a remarkable location. 31 Ocean View Avenue has 8 rooms, 1 fireplace, and is in excellent condition. Let's go inside and take a look around. I'll be back with you at the end of the presentation. If you'd like to set up a showing, give Joe Conroy, the listing agent, a call. He can be reached at 207-799-5000, extension 117. Now, let's move on to the surrounding community and see what it has to offer you. Beginning in Cape Elizabeth, we have Portland Head Light, constructed in 1792 by one of the first acts of George Washington. Portland Head Light has been a steadfast beacon for the ships entering into Portland Harbor. Moving up the coast a couple of miles, we encounter South Portland and its inviting Willard Beach and Fort Preble. Fort Preble, constructed for the War of 1812, still stands today as a testament to our challenging and triumphant past. Portland, Maine, Maine's largest city and very active seaport, offers its citizens and visitors a vibrant history and opportunity to explore and enjoy. Originally settled in 1633 by George Cleave and Richard Tucker, Portland has been an important port for the United States ever since. From 1820 through 1832, Portland was the state capital seat. Portland's waterfront, a combination of working and adventure activities, is always bustling, regardless of the time of year. Walking down its streets, you can feel the history of this great city expressed through its architecture and people. Portland's Old Port, a very popular tourist destination, offers a denizen of activities to experience. Whether your interests lie in exploring a historical seaport or experiencing a cruise on a windjammer along the rugged coast, the Old Port is something for everyone. There are 5 local marinas in the greater Portland area, each one offering a tailored service to its clients. It doesn't matter if you have a runabout or a 100-foot yacht, one of the marinas will be able to provide you with the berthing and service you seek. Portland also has a number of marine supply facilities offering you everything from a chart to the latest marine GPS system. And, if you prefer, you can hop aboard one of the many cruise lines and leave the navigation to someone else. Portland has over 65 restaurants clustered in the downtown area. From a slice of pizza to a black tie setting, all are within walking distance of each other. And, with Portland's allure, many famous chefs have decided to call the greater Portland area their home. Portland's culinary reputation continues to expand nationwide. Prepare to be amazed. Travel aboard the Cat, and you're traveling in style. Aboard a ship so remarkable, the Discovery Channel called her one of the world's top 10 super ships. The Casco Bay Ferry provides year-round ferry service, carrying passengers, vehicles, and freight between Portland, Maine, and Beeks Island, Little Diamond Island, Great Diamond Island, Long Island, Chesapeake Island, and Cliff Island. The Amtrak Downeaster offers 5 daily trips between Boston and Portland, with stops at 2 of Maine's most famous beaches. Conveniently located, this is a great business and family resource. Portland's own AA Red Sox team is great fun for the entire family. Current Red Sox greats such as Kevin Youkilis and David Ortiz all played for the Sea Dogs before being moved up to the big leagues. The auditorium was originally built in 1912 to replace 2 former halls both destroyed by fire. Merrill Auditorium is home for the Kochmar Memorial Organ, a celebrated instrument with 5,000 pipes of varying sizes, which was incorporated into the stage. Portland's Museum of Art, nestled in the business district of Portland, has received many accolades. Frommer's calls the Portland Art Museum a bold, modern museum. Portland's Western Promenade, a quiet and historical tree-lined neighborhood. This area's architecture is due to a number of prominent architects such as Henry Rowe and John Calvin Stevens. Exploring this neighborhood or just relaxing on the promenade grounds will take you back to a time fondly remembered. Maine Mall is located in South Portland. At 1,200,000 square feet, it is the largest shopping mall in the state. So there you have a small snippet of the wonderful tapestry Greater Portland has to offer you. Come and see for yourself why Greater Portland is the way life should be. The listing broker, Joe Conroy Sr., has 25 plus years of experience, a recognized top producer in the greater Portland area, and a retired Cape Elizabeth teacher and a member of many local organizations. His supporting broker, Joe Conroy Jr., has been working in real estate for 4 years, and Joe is a multi-tech business owner, and he offers comprehensive analysis and cutting-edge marketing to his clients. The preceding property presentation is a broker-client service provided by the Conroys. This is part of their comprehensive internet and door-to-door marketing strategy. Today, 25% of the Conroys' buyers for their listed properties have come through this exclusive marketing system.